Loaded with buzzworthy features, Fisker Inc.'s e-motion car plans to shake up the electric vehicle market.
It has a 400-mile electric range. You can charge the 125 miles in 9 minutes. It goes 160 miles an hour top speed, and it'll accelerate from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds.
The roomy interior includes a 27-inch TV, inductive phone charging stations, a 4-zone sunroof with adjustable transparency, and plenty of legroom.
Everything is designed so you really have a lot of interest in the interior, but more like a living room space than a traditional car.
Outside, solid-state LiDAR is a radar-type detection system that uses lasers for autonomous driving in certain conditions. And who could miss those butterfly doors?
So it's really about what is the future of the luxury electric sedan.
See this in your future? You'll have to wait for production in 2019 and pony up 130 grand.